folks, I'm Aussie Mark. Thanks very much for watching my channel, and if you're new here, I appreciate your time. I make drone videos and how-to videos for drones and B-roll footage and things you can do with your drone footage and photos. So yeah, let's get on with it. The footage that you just saw at the beginning of the video was taken not from a drone, but from a contraption that I made that runs along a length of string. I'm talking about this little doodad here. All I do is have a roll of string which I go down and find two suitable trees or two suitable poles or some kind of facility that I can tie the string to, and put it in a slightly declined position so that that this little guy will actually run along the string. So it's basically, let me just bring it forward so you can see it. So all I've done is I've got a piece of U tubing. Mine is plastic, but you could actually use aluminium, or you can buy this channel in timber as well if that's easier for you to use. And I've simply added a couple of wheels there. As you can see, they're just bolted through. And then I've got another piece of U-channel underneath there, and that's for the string to pass through undeterred. So you just pop it on the string. And then finally, I've got a piece of sponge underneath that second U-channel that's held on with a couple of zip ties and a bit of sponge in the middle to a third, or it's actually a flat section from that same piece of plastic. And then I've got a 1/4 inch bolt through there to attach my GoPro to. Now, of course, you could run it, whoops, let's turn it this way. You could run it like that and get a horizontal one, and you can simply turn easily enough and get a vertical one. And if you want to do, if you don't want it to be going downwards, just reverse the footage and you've got it coming back up the string. Now you'll see in the footage that it's not that obtrusive. It's not in your video, in your face very much. And if you just add bits and pieces of this to your B-roll, as your B-roll footage, along with some drone footage in whatever location you are, you may well be able to get a little bit more interesting effect. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Maybe you'll make one of these and put up some footage to show me how you went. Take care and bye for now. Hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for subscribing. Bye.